How's it going, you guys? Got this grill. My mom ordered it for some reason. I told her I would order it. But this and it's pretty big because the other one we have, it comes in obviously in a box. The box it comes in, you know, it's what it is. And one of those things. There's the front of it. Let's see. That guy seems happy. It shows you. I wanted this one because it comes with 4 racks. The one we have is 3. I just thought, why not, you know? Some instructions down there and things. And then this side is just meat, which doesn't look too heavy. Let's see, this is the other one we had. See, I took it apart, the inside. I just had to get the one things out. Because the inside of this one is looking, I don't know if it's corroded. Oh, that's not good. I don't know. I have to finish getting the thing out. Anyway, I think the thing is corroded, so I might try to get another one just to see, and then I'll have 2 of them. I don't know. I don't know where it went to. Oh, no, to it out yet. I don't know. I'll get to that in a little bit, or another day. I just can't do it. Okay, now, this thing, back there, and then it comes with, let's see here. These are, okay, this here, stuff there. Let's see what this one looks like inside, shall we? This comes these things, which is just the water thing, maybe put back there. And then once to put inside, there's the little computer part. And then there's the water thing. It's one of the little bits and bobs. Let's see what these are in a few minutes. There's the part to put the wood in. There, so let's see what we got, guys. This water tank is different. Oh, see, it's like off center like that. It's interesting. Different than the other one. Alright, see what it looks like inside here. And you hook the electronic part right to there. Let's see, man. Nice little thing right there. I don't know what it says, but let's see, digital electric smoker. Okay. In case you weren't aware, let's see. Check that out, man. Nice. It's a lot bigger than the other one. And then down here, is the, let me get that out. Money. That's the part down there. There's the element down there that gets hot. And then you put the water thing, I guess, you put the water thing in like that from the front. I guess you do it from the other one too, but there's the whole thing. Let's hook it up and see what happens, man. Okay. Let me check it out, man. There's the parts list, the things it has in it, right? And then, so there's that. You gotta hook that on like that, right? Hardware list. So it's easy enough to put on. Don't really screw my back up. That's all right. And there's that. Digital thing goes in there, and in there. Another little racky thing that goes on the top there. And then see the water thing goes down there like I thought. And then, alright, let's see. There's that, man. There's that, alright. There's that thing. Batteries, there's some batteries in there. Alright. Let's see. You see all that? Let's see here. Next on the list is listed. Operating instructions. Okay, there's that. There's that. Pre-seasoning. Make sure water bowl is in place without water. Set temperature 275, 3 hours. Half a cup of wood chips. Wood chipper. No loader. That's 44 minutes. So I was off about the temperature, but there you go, man. So I'm gonna do that once I hook it together. There's that. There's that. Alright. There's that. I'm kind of quick there, man. Let's see. Check that out. I'm gonna look at that yet. That's a different language. Alright. So there's this whole thing. Right there. There's that thing, which we already saw. Another water thing. There are the wheels. And then, I found like their wheels were little hub things that sit on the bottom. This is the computer part. Let's see here, man. It's so light. Let's see the other part right there. Let's do that little part right there. And there's that. Okay, get the hook in. And there's the bottom, man. And you hook the two little peg things. There's 4 peg holes, but you had only 2 pegs. That's interesting. So come on, 1, 2, 2. So, you guys probably already realized. There you go. Now, but I didn't even see it when I first looked at it. I just kind of skimmed through. But this one says, the wind is blowing in. It's a version that comes with rear handle, so it doesn't come with those. But I'm not guessing you can get those. The wheels, which would make it much easier around the yard, you know. All right, man. Let's get hooked. You guys got those things on using the old trusty fingers. You're gonna have to get the wheels for the back though, because it's gonna be hard to move that around. So we have to take it from there over to here. It's gonna be hard to pull, you know. So let's see. Winder thing slides in right there, man. You see, there's like a little dip down there. You see it? Dip, dip, dip. And then Red Hooded Sweatshirt. Dip, dip, dip. You know that old Adam Sandler song. Anyway, that's how that goes. Is that what is this? That's not good. I'm gonna get that out. I thought I saw that. Styrofoam back there, man. I didn't see that. That would have been a bad thing. I completely missed that. Maybe the sun is shining a certain way. Should get that out, man. That won't be good. You guys probably saw it already. I only have 8% of my vision though, man. Seems kind of scratched though at the bottom, doesn't it? See what I mean? This comes out as well. See that? Doesn't seem kind of like a... Zoom out now. A little scratched, man. Maybe that's just the way it goes. Just the way it goes. Now I can season that, baby. After I hooked the electronic part up, so be back in a minute, man. So while I'm trying to put that on, the bolt thing came out and went in there, so I have to try to get that out. I have to get a magnet. That's kind of odd. Because you guys supposed to hook that on the back there, so I don't know why it's... I thought you were supposed to push it in there, but you're not, because that is on the back, so it's weird. I got that little bolt down up there. I don't know what the screw was for, but I got out of there. So now I'm going to turn it on and see what it does, man. That little piece goes in there like that. It has a little slide thing. It slides in right over there. So it slides in like that, so that's good. And if I set it to 370 or 275, and I set it for 3 hours, it's let's see. 59. So that's good, man. I guess the temperature's going up. I guess I cannot see the temperature now. Let's see. 83 degrees. Okay. Good. I suppose it'll go up, obviously. That's what temperatures do and things like that. So, all right, man. Cool. Come back when it's done, man. Oh, it looks like this. Peace. Check out, you guys. 45 minutes left, and it's smoking now. Put the stuff in, so that's good. I got tickets to see Tron Aries too, man. It was expensive as hell, man. Like $24 for a ticket. My mom will be 60 in October, so by the time we go to see Nivy, so she got saved like $1 or something. Then, because you see it on Wednesday, it saved it. It was 4 something off, or 6 something off, and 4 something. I don't know. It ended up being like 30 some bucks, so it's fine with me, man. So, Masterbuilt, Tron, Josh, all cool, man. You guys, this is finished now. Stop smoking. Next, on Thursday, I think I might try to smoke something. It takes like 12 hours on each smoker. That one and the manual one, you know. Let's see how this baby goes. I guess I'll leave it closed, but the wood chips in. Let's see, it is That's the temperature. I set it to 280. There you go. Turn it off. That's how I can open it. You're supposed to leave it closed. It's hot, man. There you go, man. A little smoky smoke coming out. But, I'm happy with it. Bigger than the other one we had, like I said. Because the other one, again, is, you know, just this little small one, man. So, I just want to try to fix that, though. I took everything out of it. And then I used, Big B. I'm getting it here. I don't want to get stung in the eyeball. I already have bad vision. So, there you go, man. I'm happy with that. Excited to try it out, man. All right. Peace, you guys.